Matt here from the Bucket office, where we're working with a stripped down version of our gear selection robot. Looking at the system, we have our robotic manipulator, we have our two camera system, and our belt conveyor that actually moves the parts for our visual inspection. What we have on screen right now is rerun. This is our visualization system. It's running at about 5 frames per second, so you can see the update. Here in this middle world view, we have our manipulator, and we can actually see from the camera. We can zoom in and that matches, and then zooming back out, if I can, yeah, get this going. Let's see if that sort of makes more sense here. Okay, cool. Yeah, and so what we're looking at now is the top-down camera that's an Intel RealSense that we have. And we have our profile view camera. And what's really cool about this is I can actually manipulate the robot arm. So if I pull the robot arm into view here, and sort of push that to the side. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I'm going to move you over. Let's see if we can get this moving. So if I move the robot arm up in this sort of really crappy visualizer, you can see the arm move up and out of screen. If I move the arm down, that's pretty great. And if I swing it towards the, yeah, let's see if I'm, nope, that's away. So if I swing it towards the belt conveyor, you can see where the camera's in focus. It seems like it's a lot closer than it actually is. But what's great is we can get some depth estimations from the top-down view of where things are. So that's really exciting. Um, and then let's rotate our manipulator, get a nice profile view of the system here. So let's open up our gripper. Well, turning on the vacuum, we're going to close the gripper there, open it back up, turn off that vacuum pump, and then let's pull the arm out of view. So really, really exciting demo that I think we have here. You can see what the robot is projecting to do.